quanto non.
Una serata da Bagheria.
Ciao dear Sicily Lovers!
Ciao.
We are live from Bagheria. There is a beautiful festival here in Bagheria. It's the patron saint San Giuseppe, San Joseph, and there is a beautiful parade with the Sicilian cat. We will talk later.
We're gonna enjoy the show.
Enjoy the
First
show.
time.
Everything is hand painted, handcrafted. Look at the details. And this is the main corso, the main street, Corso Butera. Un bel saluto nel mondo, siamo in diretta.
Dove siamo?
Un bel saluto, siamo in diretta nel mondo.
Bagheria.
Che bello questo.
Me lo fate un bel saluto che siamo in diretta nel mondo, in America, in Canada, Australia. Fate un bello saluto. È tipo come buttare.
È normale.
How do you feel, Anthony?
This is nice. This is nice. Usually I see this on the internet, on TV, on YouTube. Now I'm seeing it in person. It's very colorful. The carts are beautifully painted. Very nice. The detail, every little square inch is unique. It all has a different design, and everybody also is in different types of costumes. I even put a matching hat. I'm in the Sicily Lover attire right now. Sicily Processione di Carretto Siciliano attire. That's what it's called. This is the new stilo. I mean, it's nice, right? Even Dolce Gabbana, they decided to take this style. It's based on this. So,
And also the Sicily Lovers.
and this, the most important, yeah, the most important. They started it. Yeah, the original.
So we are on the main street named Corso Butera.
Sì.
Corso Butera is the most elegant street here in Bagheria, and if you are from Bagheria, if you have a Sicilian origin here in Bagheria, you can come to Sicily and visit the homeland of your ancestors.
Esatto.
We can plan for you a custom private tour all year round. Otherwise, Anthony, please let me remind our Sicily lovers that you have only two possibilities to join Sicily with us during the Sicily Lovers Tour. To be honest, you have only one possibility because the first edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour is sold out. The edition in May, June is sold out. Tonight we received two inquiries, so no rooms available anymore. So if you want to visit Sicily with us with a beautiful group tour of Sicily, you can visit our website bestvincitoinsicily.com and enjoy the next edition of Sicily Lover Tour in September from 19 to 30 September. bestvincitoinsicily.com and book your spot. With the early booking, you have a great discount, so visit now our website. And now enjoy the festival.
Exactly. We're gonna keep walking around.
Yeah, we can move to the main square. What do you think?
Okay.
Let's go, and there you can say something about the Bagheria.
We can talk more about Bagheria. I think here to talk about the town, it's too much action going on. It's beautiful though. It's nice. It's really nice.
Anthony, Sicily deserves a visit.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's really hot, but you see, like right now, like we're in the festival, and I can see the sea at the end of the street, and there's actually a breeze coming. It's a fresh breeze, huh? And it's nice. Actually, it's refreshing. So you have these little things that make it very, very, very nice, very pleasant. It's pleasant to be here. It's energizing. Let's just say that.
Let's go.
Let's go.
vedo Johnny sul palco.
There is space for us, Anthony. Or
Yes,
there.
there's more. The noise level is reduced, so.
Salutiamo, siamo in
Salutiamo.
diretta a Nomunno. Nu facete un bello saluto, una vostra lingua, che hanno vostro dialetto in Bagheria. Che ci sono tanti cristiani che ne stanno italiano. Salutate!
Gente do Canadá, gente dos Estados Unidos, Argentina, Austrália, tudo italiano ora. Cá siamo,
Salutiamo!
Cá siamo.
Sentendo parlare come parlare.
Sì, come parlate giamati? Come? Sì, siamo siciliani, però io sono del Canada.
Guarda per le
Capiamo siciliano, parliamo. Sempre di origine. Io sto in Canada e i miei nonni erano di qua.
Ciao!
Una buona sera, eh?
This is the main church. The stabilizer doesn't work very well, but we can sit here. Anthony.
They should give us a thumbs up if they understand us properly, or let us know
Come
in the
here, come
comments.
here with me.
Do you guys hear us properly? Because it may not be the best the best audio quality right now because of the noise.
Yeah, there are tambourine, which is the name tambourine.
There's tambourines playing, you've got music playing, you've got people talking, you've got the carretti walking, you've got all kinds of different activities going on the street. I can't really describe everything. There's a lot happening at once. So it's very nice. It's very nice. We're good.
And now we
They
have
hear us.
yes, they can hear us. So ciao Mary, see you. They will come with a big group from Omaha. Mary Betancourt and Mike.
Oh, you guys must be so excited. Yeah, the last week I just got here yesterday, right? So last week before coming, I couldn't take it anymore. I was just like, my mind was. I was at work, but my mind was already gone. It was already here. So.
Would you like to tell them your tip about the jet lag?
Well, so far, I don't want to jinx it because it's still early, but I'm feeling pretty adapted. Let's hope it stays like that. But seriously, it's my third time in Italy. Every time I come, what you do is you arrive and you gotta, whatever time of day you arrive, you gotta tough it out. If you want to take a small nap, you can, but don't do it don't take a long nap. You gotta get on their schedule right away. So I got here, it was noon, Italian time. I slept 30 minutes in the whole trip. So basically slept 30 minutes the night before. And I just spent the whole day awake. I went to bed early though. You spend the whole day awake, and then I ate around 8 o'clock. We ate. And then after that I went to bed relatively early. At 9:30 I was in bed and I slept a full night. I woke up at 11 o'clock this morning. And thankfully I got on right away. At breakfast I got on their time. I'm still a little bit tired, but overall I'm hungry and sleepy at the Italian time now. So
Sicilian time is different.
It's a different time zone. It's a unique time zone. We're a couple of minutes off from everybody else. So it depends from what point of view you're coming from.
Yeah, and say something about this day. This day, you had pane e panelli.
So today we went at Monte San Pellegrino.
Monte Pellegrino.
Monte Pellegrino, no San Pellegrino. That's the bottle. That's
San Pellegrino.
San Pellegrino.
No, it's another
the
place.
water.
Monte Pellegrino.
Monte Pellegrino.
To visit Santa
We
Rosalia.
went to pay homage to the sanctuary of Santa Rosalia. It's very nice, very refreshing up there. It's a nice cave. And then after that, We had pane panelli. So if you guys, for those who don't know, the panelli are the chickpea fritters. So they make like a chickpea paste, and then they fry it. You eat it in a sandwich with some lemon juice. It's very good. And then after that, we went by the sea. We were eating by the sea, and I went for a dip. I only went maybe in the sea for like 20 minutes, but it was beautiful. The water's very warm.
First swimming in the sea after 10 years.
Yep, yeah. I haven't been to the sea in a long time. In Canada, we don't have the sea. So, well, not in Montreal. So, and now we were here. Now we're in Bagheria, and we're enjoying the town and enjoying the processions.
Yes, dedicated to the patron saint
San
Joseph. San Giuseppe.
Yeah.
And Bagheria is a small village in the province of Palermo. It's not so small, but of course compared to Palermo, it's small. And the Sicilian name is Bagheria, no? And it's a very famous because it's the movie location of Tornatore film. Did you see this film?
Yeah, Bagheria, it's beautiful. If you can get it, if you find it online, watch it. It's a beautiful movie. It's a long movie, but it's very realistic. It follows the life of one character in particular, and you see the city through its history from like the 1930s all the way up to I think the 80s or 90s. So you see the evolution, and it shows the evolution of Sicily. It gives you a bit of Sicilian history, and it's a very touching movie. So watch it if you can. I mean, Bagheria has a lot more. It has. We were here. It was the painter Guttuso. He lived here for a while. Renato Guttuso.
Then in Bagheria you can find a lot of beautiful villas.
Beautiful villas, yes. This town has a lot of these big estates, these big villas. There's the famous one. There's Villa Palagonia or Villa dei Mosci of the monsters, because it's got all these sculpted heads of they're monsters all around it. So we've got a lot of villas in Bagheria. It's a trend that started with the founding baron of the town. Bagheria has been inhabited for... The town itself is about 400 years old. It's from the 1650s, but the zone...
We studied! It's beautiful! It's my new partner here in Sicily!
I just go off on tangents. I just talk about what I know, right? But even though the town itself that exists today is only 400 years old, in Sicily that's young. The area here, it's been inhabited since the second millennium BC. It's old around here. There's a lot of history. You feel it. Everything has a soul here. It's nice.
Ooh, they are coming.
Yeah, I hope.
Maybe we can show again.
We go again.
But if you come to Bagheria, there is a beautiful, there is something delicious to eat, the sfincione bagherese. It's different from the Palermitan sfincione because it's without tomato sauce. There is onion, tuma, so it's a fresh cheese, ricotta.
Yes. And anchovies.
And anchovies.
Yeah.
So
a savory treat. I never had it. I'm gonna go try it now. I've heard of it before, but.
And again, if you want to visit Sicily with us in our beautiful Sicily Lovers Tour, please visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Then check the navigator bar, Sicily Vacation Packages, and you can book your wonderful vacation with us, and you can discover your big deal we have reserved for early booking. The first edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour is just sold out, so you have the opportunity to join the second edition in September. Save the date, from 19 to 30 September. Just book your flight and we wait for you.
Somebody asked to spell the city.
Oh, spell the city.
Bagheria. 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 It's just southeast of Palermo. It's like half an hour from Palermo.
Yeah, more or less. And now let's see what they are doing. Ciao dear Sicily lovers, keep following us. Let's go, let's see. Amoni.
Ora l'ho trovato.
Questo mazzo di papà. Quello.
Scusa? Ancora ho preso un cavallo capritolone.
Domenica, lui si chiama Giovanni, anche il nome Giovanni.
Scusate, scusate.
Ay, Dios mío, mira qué grosero.
Che sto a vino?
È piena di vino.
Sì, lascio. Ancora. Che su? Oh no, c'è un altro.
Piano nei baloni.
Sende caldo. O vedremo.
Queste canzoni non uso. Per le canzoni le mando cavallo, non parlo per tutti.
No, vabbè.
Se passano i davanti davanti non posso mai
Dai che?
O vedremo. Amore. Oh, vedremo. Amore. Ancora, amore. Oh, vedremo. Ma Dio, come si dice male?
Guys, we are fine, don't worry.
There's always a bit of chaos in Sicily, guys.
So, we are fine. Okay, guys, it's time to say bye-bye.
Yeah. We're gonna go eat.
It's better to eat the spincione, so
Love.
insieme, all
We're gonna
together.
say it together.
So, love,
Hugs,
and
and
kisses
kisses from Sicily.
Ciao, Sicily Lovers.